What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. I see a couple worms on the side. A little worm action on top. Cool. Yeah, so I think the worms are doing good. I think they're enjoying this worm tower. I guess before I start doing that, I'll check this feeding area. I fed a nice sized piece of pumpkin the other day. I guess that's all that's left. Just the skin. There's another piece of skin. I do want to kind of look down here at the bottom just a little bit. Like I said, I have the paper down there. It still looks to be intact pretty well. Yeah, look at the worms. Very cool. They're kind of, well, there's no food in the center to keep them, so they're kind of dispersed among this top layer. Yep. I'm probably going, what the heck is this guy doing to me? Okay, I'll put this, another couple pieces of pumpkin in here. With today's feeding, I'm actually not feeding any grit, but I will give them some of this worm chow, and this actually has grit in it, so if they do need any, they can get it off of that. I want to look at the bottom. And again, there's a couple worms poking on through. So I haven't gone ahead and, oh, there's a little worm right there. I haven't gone ahead and kind of fluffed this up, so I'll just kind of move some of this bedding around a little just to see if we got kind of anything going on down here. Now this does not feel as moist as the stuff up top, so I do have a little bit of that pumpkin juice that I'll go ahead and pour on this to help add some moisture. And kind of help keep the bacteria going. Cool. Just looking. I don't know. It really isn't castings. It's more the coconut coir and the coffee grounds. Okay. Cool. Well, This is the, was it the third feeding? Yeah, hopefully that's coming through. That little orange tail from the red wiggler. Cool. Well, I messed with these guys enough today, so I'll go ahead and button it all back up. Yeah, so I'm very pleased with how this bin's going. It looks like there's the worms are doing a great job. Like I said, they're moving through all this bedding up top, and I even have some worms down in the bedding below. Thanks for coming along, checking out the video. Everybody have a great day.